Welcome to Yes Academy Plus. Today, you will learn 30 important words for the classroom. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and practice your pronunciation. Are you ready? Let's begin. Pencil. Pencil. I have a pencil. Eraser. Eraser. I need an eraser. Notebook. Notebook. This is my notebook. Desk. Desk. The desk is clean. Chair. Chair. Sit on the chair. Book. Book. I am reading a book. Ruler. Ruler. The ruler is on the desk. Scissors. Scissors. Be careful with the scissors. Pen. Pen. I write with a pen. Backpack. Backpack. My backpack is blue. Teacher. Teacher. The teacher is very kind. Student. Student. I am a student. Whiteboard. Whiteboard. The whiteboard is clean. Marker. Marker. I have a red marker. Glue. Glue. She uses glue for her project. Paper. Paper. The paper is white. Crayons. Crayons. The crayons are colorful. Clock. Clock. There is a clock on the wall. Map. Map. Look at the map. Window. Window. The window is open. Door. Door. Please close the door. Board. Board. He writes on the board. Homework. Homework. I do my homework every day. Quiz. Quiz. We have a quiz today. Test. Test. The test is easy. Answer. Answer. That is the correct answer. Question. Question. I have a question. Class. Class. Our class starts at 8 o'clock. Lesson. Lesson. This is a fun lesson. School. School. I go to school every day. Great job. Now, let's review with a quick quiz. Are you ready? What is this? A. Pencil. B. Book. C. Door. The correct answer is book. What is this? A. Eraser. B. Window. C. Notebook. The correct answer is eraser. What is this? A. Board. B. Map. C. Backpack. The correct answer is map. Great job. Now you know 30 classroom words in English. Watch the video again and keep practicing. Don't forget to subscribe and come back for more. See you next time.